Most long-hair puppies need to be combed. That's because their fur will tangle so you can avoid cutting. Gently comb so your puppy won't feel the pain. Introducing them that this is a routine to avoid hassle in future. This will save you a lot of money for pet grooming service. For Pomeranian, which has double coat fur, start gently. You may go deeper once your fur baby is comfy with it. Comment COMB if you find this tips helpful. Remember to subscribe, follow, like, and share. Thank you for your support on PawZania.